Welcome back to Travel Tales with Sandy. So today is our third day in Mangalore. We reached Mangalore on Wednesday evening, and by the time you see this vlog, you know the reason why we visited, why we planned this trip to Mangalore. So yesterday was the event we had to attend. Today we are free, so we are going to go sightseeing in and around Mangalore, which is closer by. So full day we are free, so I'll show you around whatever possible. See you. Take a turn and come back on this. The Kudroli Temple in Mangalore. I don't know whether you guys are aware, in most of the temples in South India, elephants are idols or statues of elephants are always kept at the entrance. It has some positive significance. This temple is painted in full golden color from the outside. Beautiful architecture. This is Bhagwan Hanuman Mandir. Kudroli Temple was built by Sri Narayana Swami. There is a story behind the making of this temple. This is Sai Baba Temple. Here in the same temple complex, different deities, individual temples are constructed. It's beautiful. At the Kudroli Gokarnanatha Temple, the main temple, Shiva deity. Inside here is Lord Shiva's. Inside the temple, the main deity is installed, and you cannot do videography or photography there, so I couldn't take the inside photos. But believe me, it's such a beautiful temple. So well maintained, so clean, and all the deities starting with Lord Ganpati, Annapurna Devi, Bhagavati, Hanumanji, Sai Baba, and so many other Hindu deities. Individual temples are inside as well as outside, and I was so blessed, feeling so blessed to be here today to witness this beautiful architecture. This temple was consecrated by Sri Narayana Guru Swami, who believed in one religion, one caste. God is for everyone. There is a story behind this. I mean, I don't know whether I should say it on YouTube, or maybe I'll write the description. So here is a board which centenary plaque 1 minute. So this was consecrated by Brahmashri Narayana Guru, who believed in one caste, one religion, one God. All are children of God. there should not be discrimination to visit a temple also for any caste. So his vision and idea was to have a temple for all, and this is the culmination of that, known as Kudroli Gokarnanatha Temple. Beautiful in
Thank you.
this lady, video. This lady, she's maintaining the shoe stand here, and she refused to take any money from us, which is quite a surprise. Normally they ask for any token, but she refused. God bless her. Though we are insisting on the payment, she said no, आप पैसा नहीं लेंगे, आपको मैं YouTube में दिखा रही हूँ. Thank you. This is also protection notice. No, here it's written Sultan Battery, Bullur. Sultan Battery is actually a watchtower said to have been built by Tipu Sultan to contain the entrance of battleships of the enemies into the Gurpur river. So we are at Sultan Battery in Bullur in Mangalore. So these are the steps leading to the watchtower. These are for the muskets holes to shoot at the enemy, I guess, originally. It's a hot day. So they have ferry ride also. This river is called Gurpur river. Too hot for a ferry ride. We'll probably skip the ferry thing. Watch this. A lot of fishing activities happening here. I see a lot of fishing boats, trawlers. So this is the Gurpur river ferry stop. The ferry moves from here to the other side, I guess. So the third sightseeing today is at St. Aloysius Chapel. The interior of the chapel is decorated with paintings that cover almost all the walls, and this is quite unusual in chapels in India. The paintings are preserved by recognized board of the nation, which maintains and restores all the historic artifacts. Hey friends, thank you so much for all your love and support. Hope you all are enjoying my videos on this series. There is more to come. Please do like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the notification bell for more interesting videos. And thank you very much. Stay healthy and happy always. Bye. Sandy signing off.